What is going on, you guys? So today we are going to be unboxing SPC front camber kits. Let me open up this box. You guys can see it. Looks really good. I like it a lot. Packaged pretty well. Comes with everything that you need. Here you go. Comes with all this hardware. And well, let me show you something right here. Okay, these are for the 370Zs. Let me unwrap these and show you side-by-side comparison of them both. Alright, so this one right here is for G35 and 350Z. This one right here is for 370Z and G37. The tip of the ball joint is even different. The one on the 350Z/G35, it's like this. Okay, it comes with a nut and a locking pin, like it would in a OEM arm. If you will do what I did, which I do not recommend, buying a 370Z/G37 front camber kit by SPC. I'm sure this applies to other companies out there like Z1. Here's the problem. It will not fit. Yeah, you could swap the ball joints, it will not fit still, because here's why. The major problem. This piece, this whole black piece, is much shorter. This one is much longer. Okay, the 350Z/G35 front camber kit SPC is much longer. I'm sure this goes to other companies out there, so you got to get the correct part number. The correct part number for G35 and 350Z is 721233. The one for the, I believe, 370Z and G37 is 72130. I believe that's it. So final thing is to install them. Let's do it. All right, so the first thing you guys do is jack up your car. I'm gonna be starting to work on the driver's side, so I'm gonna leave the passenger side wheel on. Here's the reason why. Because I only have one jack stand and one of these, okay? And so what I do is I put the jack stand right there. When I jacked it up, I drop it so it sits evenly. I take this piece and I move it right here. So here's where it's at now. Here's why it's here. Because you need to jack it up, compressing this whole piece to kind of like, I guess, squeeze the bushing, the ball joint, and which ultimately just allows you to remove the 17mm nut right here. Don't forget, it's a 17mm, 40mm, and another 40mm right there. It's also cool to jack it up because, well, at least for me, the springs kind of don't get in the way, so I can remove the long bolts. Just goes through. That's another reason why you should maybe jack it up. It applies to me. I don't know about you guys, but if it does apply to you guys, leave it in the comment below. I'm running KW Variant 3 coilovers, if you guys were wondering. So the next step is, alright, so one thing I want to say is that you should not be installing it like this. You got to go to the stock arm and pull out the cone to put it on top of here. This is why you have an extra, I guess, space, you could say. That's for the cone. Don't forget also to grease it up. The part number for this piece right here from AutoZone is right here, okay? It's OEM Tools. Part number right here, 27170. And then the rest is pretty easy, that's it. And once you put it in, install it, make sure you tighten everything properly. I'm gonna put it in right now and show you guys. All right, you guys, now that we have everything installed, it's time to tighten those two 40mm bolts to 52 pounds of torque. The cone that I was talking to you guys about, that it's crucial that you guys have installed, is sitting right here. There's a special design for it. It's designed just for that cone. You don't want the rubber of the SPC to go inside the groove. You want that cone, is all I'm saying. You gotta get it. Other than that, tighten this piece. The last piece will be this piece. And well, that's all. Just go get an alignment and you're all set. No more getting your 350Z front tires chewed up unevenly. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. I will be having another video coming up here pretty shortly. Stay tuned for it. Thanks for watching, you guys. Make sure you also share this video and hit that like button. It really does help me a lot. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.